I just wasn't the same person he fell in love with. Finally, I knew it was time for a change, and I decided to face the music. I reluctantly stepped onto the scale, and to my disgust, I saw that I had gained 41 pounds. I couldn't believe it. I knew my weight had gotten out of hand, but I had no idea it had gone this far. I couldn't face the world. I went back to bed and spent the rest of the day crying my eyes out. If you've ever gained a lot of extra weight or felt like your body was simply out of control, I know how you feel. It can really make you feel both helpless and hopeless. Thankfully, I know there's a solution that works because I've done it. Plus, it's fast, easy, and it tastes delicious. Best of all, I lost every one of those stubborn 41 pounds for good. So you can understand why I was willing to fly to Africa and go deep into the jungle to find this mysterious recipe. Remember, I tried every possible weight loss program until I found this ancient red tea recipe that shrank fat cells. Before I share this recipe with you, I have to give you a warning. Today, I'm going to give you this recipe to use as often as you want, but to be completely honest, a lot of the information I'm sharing with you today exposes secrets that some people don't want you to know about. While I'll keep this site running as long as I can't promise any miracles. So if you're even a little bit curious about how this tea can change your body and shrink your fat cells, you need to watch the entire free video today. I know this sounds pretty far-fetched to you right now. However, the truth is that all I did was drink this delicious red tea and do a few other simple things to shrink my fat cells. The unique combination of special ingredients in this tea literally unlock your fat cells to help remove built-up toxins and reset your body's metabolism. The two things making it impossible for you to lose weight. Best of all, I've found the science that actually backs it up. The days of feeling guilty about not losing weight are finally over. Isn't that what you really want? You don't have to starve yourself or eat a bunch of flavorless vegetables to get results. Simply drink this delicious tea and enjoy the smart foods you love, and you will drop pounds guaranteed. Right now, you're probably wondering why no one has ever heard of this tea before. The answer is incredibly simple. In fact, the entire tribe thought I was crazy when I told them I wanted to lose weight. It's not a part of their culture to worry about losing weight, so they don't even realize that they're holding onto a secret that everyone in America is dying to get their hands on. So let me ask you this. Can you give me 14 days to cleanse away several pounds of lethal fat from your body? Imagine if you knew exactly how this ancient red tea could change your life in only a few weeks. Imagine the confidence you'll feel from walking into work wearing those jeans you haven't been able to zip up since your wedding. Imagine the joy of seeing your spouse look at you the way he or she did so many years ago. Imagine your excitement when just 14 short days from now, you step on your scale, look down, and see that you're much lighter. Think about the excitement you'll feel when you see the real-life proof that you can lose this much weight. And it was all so easy. All you did was drink this delicious red tea. Plus, you still got to enjoy delicious meals and even exercised a bit less, not more. You can cleanse away fat as much as you want, anytime you want. It's all up to you, and you don't have to stop there. Remember, it's not just about losing the fat either. This is about confidence. This is about freedom. By taking control of your body, you're taking back control of your life. No more insecurity, no more indecision. Best of all, no more feeling helpless. Few things are as empowering as feeling confident about the way you look. Honestly, even if you want to lose 20, 40, 60 pounds or more, I know this can work for you. It turns out this red tea can give you the wonderful, confident, and happy life you deserve. Drink this tasty tea and only 14 days from now, you'll have kick-started your natural fat-burning system into overdrive, turning your body into a calorie-burning machine. You'll look in the mirror, and for the first time in years, you'll see a big, unstoppable smile. You'll be thrilled, just like I was. You'll love the new, slender-looking you. It's the slimmer and sexier body you've always wanted to see. Up until now, I've only shared this revolutionary fat loss red tea recipe and my proven methods for cleansing fat away with my private clients, people who have paid me thousands of dollars. I've dedicated my life to searching the world to uncover little-known methods for helping people just like you safely and sensibly lose fat and keep it off. After falling into the worst shape of my life, I can personally say that this is by far the single best method for losing pounds quickly and easily. In fact, it was the only one that worked for me. It'll work for you too. Now, to speed your fat loss, and as a special thank you just for watching my informative fat loss video, I'm giving you 5 new fat shrinking rules. The rules will help you to detox your body and force your fat cells to open, so you can release stubborn fat and shrink your fat cells. You can be cleansing away fat mere minutes from now. Throughout my career, my books have helped countless men and women across the world improve their health, jumpstart their metabolism, and lose weight when other programs fell short. I'm thrilled when I see messages flooding my inbox from women and men just like you, thanking me for giving them this red tea recipe and the methods that worked for them to cleanse away the fat when nothing else did. Now, you'll hear from just a few of my private clients who drank this delicious fat-cleansing red tea that forced their body to pump out more fat-burning hormones and make their fat cells shrink and stay shrunk. The new smaller body measurements from their fat cells shrinking were simply off the charts. Amazing! They found the one thing that let them hack into their own metabolism and jumpstart their natural fat loss systems. Additionally, the benefits go way beyond fat loss. It has worked for everyone who's followed my advice. I mean it, everyone. 14,793 people and counting. This includes Amanda, Dan, Melissa, and Emily, who took my advice and cleansed their fat away after they supercharged their own fat-burning systems. Amanda H., age 57, from Topeka, Kansas, says, "I'm back in my skinny jeans. I lost 17 pounds and I'm fitting into jeans I never thought I would wear again. My husband tells me I look slender and sexy. I'm very pleased with my results." Dan R., 42, an entrepreneur from Troy, Michigan, says, "I'm back in control and shed 42 pounds. My business is hectic and everyday life is stressful, so I often do not feel in control. This has made me feel I can control my hunger and what I eat. I feel much more in control of my life and I am very happy with my fat loss." Melissa T., 47, who lives in Topeka, Kansas, had this to say, "I flushed away 32 pounds. Now I have a curvy waist and hips right above my jeans. I feel fantastic. I'm so proud of what I did because my waist hasn't been this small since high school." Emily A., a 32-year-old computer programmer from Miami, Florida, says, "My belly shrank. I've lost 16 pounds and feel great. I never felt hungry while drinking this tasty tea. I lost 16 pounds without much effort. I lost all the weight I wanted, and I never felt deprived either." You've heard from just a handful of the thousands of people who've proved this is the one thing that worked to lose all the weight they wanted. In just a few weeks from now, you can have similar results, just like Amanda, Dan, Melissa, and Emily did. Believe me, this tea is so powerful, you must watch all the way to the end so you can get the secret recipe. Then you'll see that detoxing my body with this tea helped me shed 41 pounds and gave me the sexy, slender body you see now. If I can go from this to this and lose 41 pounds of ugly fat without being hungry, you can too. I can help you.